Hi there, boys and girls. I am going to read you a story because it's story time with Carmen. And today's story is Pastry on the Subway. The Adventures of Croissant on the R Train. Story and drawings by Carmen Gillespie, that's me. This one is inspired by a Facebook posting from Scotty Watson and comments by Val Greenfield. Hi, I'm Croissant. I get to ride the subway all by myself to meet with my mom today. Will you join me? Look, it's the R train. Follow the R's in the yellow circles. It's going to be a great day. 3 guys just wrapped the weather report and it will be sunny. Cool. We have a lot of time, so we can make a few stops on our way. Good thing my Metro card is loaded. It smells funny in here, but I like how the doors close. Bing bong. Let's go. Let's hop off to look at Central Park. What pretty paths and bridges. Next time I'll take a horse and buggy ride to the carousel. Back to the R train. Wow, that's where the ball drops on New Year's Eve. Times Square has so many lights and the biggest TVs I have ever seen. Too bad we don't have time to see a Broadway show. Next time, back to the R train. It's the Empire State Building, one of the tallest in New York City. Look, I can jump higher than the Empire State Building because buildings can't jump. Ha, ha, ha. Back to the R train. At Union Square, a lot of different train lines meet. There's also a park and a building with a lot of numbers on it that I don't understand, and some bakeries. The people here look hungry. Uh-oh, stranger danger. Let's go back to the R train. My mom told me to meet her at Buttery Park. Oops, Battery Park. I always say that wrong. And there she is. Her name is Baguette. Hi, Mom. Ready to go to the ferry? Wow, thanks for showing me the Statue of Liberty. She is really beautiful and really big. I love that she's from France, just like us. That was such a great day. Thanks for riding the R train with me. Bye-bye. The end.